If you don't want to do the time, don't do the crime. Okay, let's see what you got for us today.
Company would come out here with a big flatbed, and they had a big old generator on there to run their saw. And I'm like, man, you bring a Toyota and a freaking cordless saw.
I know. I've heard people say that people do that. I don't.
Yeah, they come on a big old truck, and I mean, it had a huge generator on it. Like a little overkill.
Yeah, I just don't. I don't see why you would need that much.
I think they did a lot of regular auctions, not the storage auctions. I guess you guys do too. I noticed your site.
Oh yeah.
You got a big warehouse full of stuff.
Yep. How big is this unit?
That's a 10 by 20.
Oh, okay, that's why. Seems like it keeps going. Packed it pretty good.
Came in yesterday, and how much do I owe? I'm like $350, bro. Plus you're gonna get some stuff added for this too, so. Well, I should talk, Comcast called me like 6 times in the last week, I'm like, just make it till Friday, man. Shut off my high def. And my internet, oh man.
It's like the end of the world then, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, mine usually just comes to the door. I just hand them a check.
You're like, that's today, I got it.
Usually they come at the good time. I have money in the bank by then. Oh, this is nice.
We get something good showing, huh?
Yeah.
It's like a hassle to have to do but them storage hunters, man, they don't care.
Nope. Anything that'll make them a quick buck.
Yeah, I think the last guy got two couple 100-pound TVs and like 4 mattresses paid for them. Like, he goes, you want a mattress and a TV? I'm like, no. Don't leave it here either.
Big TVs aren't really in the market anymore.